Hey everyone, welcome to Fan Flag Showcase 8. This is the prompt video where we tell you the rules of the flag design. This showcase is probably our most unusual so far. We've been really busy lately and that made us realise how precious time is, and that gave us the idea for this showcase. We want you to create a flag for a fictional country called Tempus. Tempus is the Latin word for time. The people of Tempus are obsessed with time as they see it as the most important resource a person has. Being late is one of the most socially unacceptable things in Tempus. Every person's time is considered highly important. As a result, public transport almost always runs on time, people are almost never late for work, social events almost always start on time, and so on. So with all this in mind, your flag design should have strong references to time. And because this showcase is all about time, we're only giving you a few days to come up with a design because we know time is precious to you, and this time limit will hopefully help you focus more than usual on creating a flag within a short time period. To enter, send your flag image file to flagthisvideos@gmail.com. In the subject line, please use Showcase 8. As well as the flag image file, please include your name or nickname. If you don't want your real name used, then use a nickname. Please also include the symbolism of your Tempest flag. The closing date for entries is September 13th, 2022. In the next video, we will show you all the qualified entrants, and this video will have a link where you guys will rank each of the flags. In the video after that, we will announce the results and review the winning flag. Here are some quick rules. The flag image must be digital. We will not accept hand-drawn images. Also, please don't include anything controversial or offensive, as those will not be accepted. Also, check out the YouTube contest policies and guidelines in the description of this video. So that's everything you need to know. If you haven't watched it already, go check out our introduction video to this new series where you can find some extra information about the series. The link is in the description. Good luck to everyone and have fun creating your flag. See you guys next time.